How to factory reset in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So factory resetting will erase all your data and installed applications and make your computer brand new. Like in the condition, it was brand new condition. So in order to do so, go to your start menu, then go to settings. After that, go to system. Now, scroll down and then go to recovery. Here you will see this option of reset PC. Simply click on this option from resetting. If you want to keep your files, tap and select keep files. But if you want to remove everything and make your PC look brand new, go to remove everything and then confirm your reset process. But if you just want to go back to your latest update or the previous update and remove the latest update, simply go back now and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.